Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, Hailey and Chloe's World. Okay, so we just got back from church, and now we're in Walmart, and we're getting some stuff. So we are going to go swim at my friend's house, my best friend's house. She used to live in our neighborhood, but then she moved. And we're now getting goggles. And the day after that, we're going to go swimming again. And the day after that, we're going swimming again. And we got our goggles right now. Yeah, because we lost ours. Oh my gosh, she got a 3-pack. She got a 3-pack of one. So this is the goggles she got. Black, blue, and green. I want blue. I want green. I want green. That looks pretty. I'll take blue. It's fine. So I'm gonna take green, and she actually has green and blue. So I know. So I was like, I want blue. Let's just rock that in the cart. Yeah, rock that in the cart. Okay, so we're about to finish. We're about to finish. I'm looking for a pan. So we're gonna pull over here. Yeah, we're gonna pull over. Okay, so we're going to show you guys what we are wearing. So we're gonna show you guys what we're wearing. I'm wearing this. I'm wearing this. Pants. It's like a little skirt. Yeah. So I'm gonna show you what we got. So we got pasta stuff, sauce for the pasta, pineapples and peaches, blueberry lemonade, strawberries, blackberries. We also got this right here. That's peaches. Sliced peaches. I love this. I love peaches so much. And then those are the goggles flipped over. So we are still looking for a pan for my mom's pasta that she's gonna make for the 4th of July and stuff like that. So we're gonna see what we're gonna do. So we're gonna see what pan she's gonna get. And I hope it's purple because that's my favorite color. But I'm wearing green right now. Okay, so our mom picks out our church clothes. So again, our outfits, they are from Stitch Fitch. We have a box from them every month. We choose the clothes we want, but we can't have all of them because all of them will be too much money and all. But yeah, the clothes we are wearing today are from Stitch Fitch. So she has a tank and a skirt. And then a bottom. Yeah, a skirt. And this purse goes exactly with this. And I got on a 2-piece as well. It is a tank top and some shorts right here. So it is very soft. It's very soft, and I hope you guys like it. So, hey guys, Hailey's acting like a diva. So we also got some hangers because we are just running out. So we're just gonna show you. We got those pink hangers. We got these pink hangers and another pair, 2 pink hangers. Okay, so yeah, my mom's looking for a pot. So if you found the perfect pot for her. She needs a perfect pot. So all those noodles and stuff like that. Yeah, we're just trying to help her out. Dance it out. Dance it out. That's Hailey dancing it out. Okay, so now she's gonna record me dancing. Dance it out. Dance it out. Dance it out. Stop putting me on. Because you're out of here.
You have to say the same. What do you say?
So we are back, and so we got out of the pool and it's dark out, but they are blowing fireworks both sides of me. So we are going more forward to see they're shooting fireworks there. We were like, where are they? Because I was looking for them. Oh! hands are full.
Whoa!
I want to try one. I want to try one.
Chandler, bring me the lighter.
Can I light another one? Oh, right! Step back, step back! Sam's here.
Alright, hurry, bring
Can
it.
I do one?
Can I hold it? Let me hold it. Light it. Can I light it? You're not holding it close enough. My face is too close. Ow!
Right.
Ow, my foot!
You might want to... Y'all, it's beautiful.
Wait, why
There's another one. Can I try one?
Yeah. Come here. Are you okay?
Yeah, I just tried.
I don't know if you can light. I'll have to see. Maybe there's like a little...
I can't. Okay, we're gonna do a team.
Ready to go.
I can't. Here, run! Run! So it was a team girl light.
Yeah.
Whoop! Another one. Another one. Yep. Another one. Yep. Yep. Happy 4th of July! Hi,